possessive form, usually we don't use it over twice in a phrase. Twice is good enough, but if it's more than that, it sounds too busy in the phrase. Same like English, we don't do my sister's colleagues, blah, 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 as well. So in Chinese, when we have two de's, it's possible. For example, 我的姐姐的同事 my older sister's colleagues. But if you want to emphasize the relationship is very far away from you by many layers in between, then you can also use 汤头的 in a joking way to say we are not that close. For example, 我的姐姐的同事的爸爸的好朋友的哥哥 So many layers in between, which is my older sisters, colleagues, dad's good friends, older brother. So I want to say we are not that close to each other. All right? 我的姐姐的同事，我的姐姐的同事，我的姐姐的同事。